What is going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this video. We just got some diesel over here at the old Handy Mart and filled the cooler up with some beer. We're gonna have a nice little weekend, hopefully. We got a 4-day weekend, and you guys know I love those. So, yep, I'm about to head on down to South Carolina as we speak. And I'm not sure if it's gonna be this video or the next video, like I said last video, but I got a little surprise for you guys, and you're not gonna like it, but it's gonna be funny to me. Oh, buckle up for safety. You guys know I'm safe. I'm not, turn that off. You guys know I'm safe, but yeah. So sit back and enjoy the vlog. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. What's going on, everybody? Just got finished eating lunch with the family and went to the gym this morning. Last night wasn't feeling so well, if you know what I'm saying, but we went to the gym this morning, killed it. Go out there and get it if you can. Don't anything stop you, you know, just do it, be motivated. Yeah, it feels good to be home. Got the dogs right here, and if this is the package, I think it is on the doorstep. This is my True Spike lug nut antenna. Hey, you saw that? You saw how mean she is? Not True Spike lug nut antenna. It's my bullet antenna. I hope so. So we're gonna go in here and see if that's actually it. Come on, doggies. I'll get with you. Okay, we got the package. Hold on one second. Put you down for a second. I'm trash. Yep, these are it, ladies and gentlemen. One is the base and one is the tip. So that's dope. So I'm about to open it up, show you guys what it is. Alright, so yeah, huge shout out to True Spike for letting Alex do this giveaway. That white bow tie, I'll drop him right here. And huge shout out for him for doing this giveaway. This is awesome. Hey, and also a quick thing to note that I've seen right off the bat without even like looking in depth into it. These things, or this bullet antenna right here, so much better quality than the one I ordered off like eBay for my Black Shrug. Like this right here has all the adapters it comes with. It comes with everything you could need, and you're not gonna be lost in the sauce like if you order it offline, like from eBay or something. And it comes with that for the Chevy adapter, and it has this wrench right here. I thought it said True Spike on it, but it has this little wrench right here to put it on as well. That's so awesome. Thank you guys so much. Like even this little tip right here, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see it. No, well, hold on. You might. See that little tip right there? It even says True Spike on the thing. That is so dope. Woo, look at it, ladies and gentlemen. I know it's a little stupid, but I'm gonna show you how to install it, obviously. Alright, so the truck's a little filthy right now. Don't judge. Okay, we're also parked over here all the way in the rain. Right, so that one's got the platform base. And this is already on. So this is like the little adapter piece it came with right here. I'm about to see if it'll just fit straight there. It will not. But check it out. This little cow right here. Alright, I'm gonna mess with this quick, I'll get it back. Okay, so for now, I have the adapter on there, like the little skinny one, and I had to take this base plate off right now because I'm pretty sure this will fit just from here to the actual mountain one. But I'm gonna make it. It doesn't fit right now. So right now, before I do this I'm gonna show you exactly what happened. So this is too big for that, but I can take this out and Dremel it up and probably put some touch-up paint on or something. So I'm actually have to do that later on, and if I don't really like the look of it, but I don't see there being a problem with it. I mean, it looks pretty decent right now. So I'm gonna tighten her on there. And there's not actually too much of a gap, so. Oh yeah, that looks nice. I don't even need to use the wrench it came with. It's plenty tight enough. Oh yeah, that only took like 2 minutes. And your stock old antenna, which I take it off anyway because every truck I buy, I take it off because it looks like crap. This is the tip, so body tip, and then it's not much of a gap actually. That, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yes. Looks real nice. I'm not sure how well you can see it from here, but it's huge. I love it. Once again, shout out to Alex and That Wide Bow Tie on Instagram and YouTube, and shout out to True Spike Lug Nuts. Thank you guys so much for this opportunity to rock y'all's amazing product. I love it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I love the look on the truck now. It looks amazing. I was actually missing an antenna, but now I'm not. Thank you so much, Alex and True Spike Lug Nuts. I really appreciate that. So if you really enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, like it. No, it's the same thing. And click that little red thing below the video that says subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Stay tuned.